Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Clash of Clans on Mac. While Clash of Clans is primarily designed for mobile devices, you can absolutely enjoy this popular strategy game on your Mac. The key is to use an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. This process allows you to download and run mobile applications seamlessly. Make sure your Mac has a stable internet connection and sufficient storage, typically around 5 GB, for the emulator and the game itself. To begin, you'll need to select a reliable Android emulator. Popular choices like BlueStacks and Nox Player are excellent options, offering robust performance and user-friendly interfaces specifically designed for Mac. When making your selection, it's crucial to review the emulator's system requirements to ensure compatibility with your Mac's operating system and hardware. This step helps guarantee a smooth gaming experience, preventing lag or crashes while you build your village and battle opponents. After choosing your emulator, download it from its official website and follow the straightforward installation prompts. Once the emulator is successfully installed, launch it and you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This step is essential as it grants you access to the Google Play Store, just like on an Android phone. From there, simply search for Clash of Clans in the Play Store and click Install to get the game running on your Mac. To enhance your Clash of Clans experience, take a moment to optimize the emulator's settings. You can adjust the resolution and frames per second to achieve smoother graphics and more responsive gameplay. Additionally, configure keyboard and mouse controls to your preference, making troop deployment and base management much more precise than on a touchscreen. Now, you are all set to enjoy building your village, training troops, and engaging in epic battles directly from the comfort of your Mac's larger display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.